Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about growing one of the most beautiful flowers, poppy. Poppies are absolutely amazing flowers and they are one of my favorite flowers to grow in the winter-spring season. They have these beautiful bright flowers and they come in so many different colors. They really brighten up your garden. One of the best things about this plant is that they attract lots of bees and they are constantly crowded with the bees all the time, especially in the morning. They just grow crazy around the flowers. This variety that we grow in the garden is called the Oriental poppy. These plants are grown here as annuals or seasonal flowers. They can grow around 4 feet tall and they look amazing when they move with the wind. Growing them is very easy too. Here is my poppy plant. The colors are just stunning. You can see I have grown them in this plastic packet and they have bloomed so well. Now I grow them in packets every year. They are very low maintenance plants. Let's talk about the growing conditions. Poppies grow well when the temperature is a bit low. They like cool temperatures. They don't like too much heat. They also like bright sunlight. So give them at least 6 hours of direct sunlight to get maximum flowers. You can move them to a partial shade area when the weather gets hot. Give them afternoon shade during the summer to keep them fresh. You can grow them from seed very easily. I grow them from seed every year. Here is a poppy sapling. This is very small. You have to be very gentle with the poppy saplings because they have tap roots. Their roots go very deep, so don't disturb the roots. Repot them very carefully and repot them when they are very young so they don't die. You can see I have grown them in tiny pots like this. They're big enough to be repotted now. You can choose a 6 to 8 inch pot to grow them, or you can grow 2 or 3 plants in a 10 or 12 inch container like I did. They need well-draining soil to grow well. You can grow them in sandy soil very well. For potting mix, choose a good well-draining garden soil. Add 30% compost. You can add some neem cake powder if you want. They actually don't need too much fertilizing. You can apply weekly liquid mustard cake fertilizer. You can also add a tablespoon of bone meal to enhance flowering, and that will be all. Water the plants regularly. Keep the soil moist and don't overwater them. Check your soil before watering every time. These plants flower a lot, and to keep them blooming, you need to prune them regularly. Cut all the dead flowers as soon as possible. It will help your plant produce more flowers and live longer. You can keep some of the seed pods on the plant to collect seeds later on. They can have some pest problems like aphids and mealybug, so you can spray them with neem oil regularly to keep them healthy. That is all you need to do to grow them. I love these plants and I hope you will enjoy growing them too. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comment section and I will see you next time. Bye!